So to do this is pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your any type of browser, which is Google right here, and search Paxful. So once you have done that, select the first link, of course, and you'll be redirected to this website. As you can see here, to buy Bitcoin and Paxful wallet, it's pretty simple. It's straightforward. All you have to do is log in or register if you don't have one. So all you have to do is buy. So we have Bitcoin here, and here's our local currency. Select your payment method. You can show all right here. There's a lot. There's a lot of bank transfers all in one. It's debit cards, gift cards, digital currencies, cash payments, and goods and services. And you can choose from 473 in total. So there you go. So let's just say we want PayPal and you want to spend around 100 USD. So you can find offers right here. So let's check it out. So as you can see here, you would want to check the seen hours right here. You would also see if they're online and their remarks from other buyers. So there's also average trade speed, as you can see right here, and price per Bitcoin. So you can see here that this offer is 1.95% below Bitcoin market price. You can choose from a lot here. All you have to do is buy, log in, register if you don't have one, and there you go. It's just that simple. It will redirect it to your wallet as instant. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.